exhaust.
Oh, yeah, I'm keen to hear it too. Yeah, I was either in there.
Yeah, sorry, coming right before you.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, she's all good.
I appreciate it. He's loving your machine here. So
Yeah.
It's exhaust, so.
Yeah, I'm keen to hear it too. Oh yeah, it looks sick.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Keep on, it's going to be ridiculously loud.
Yeah, oh yeah.
There's a big echoey room, but yeah. That's a sweet build you did there.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Such nice stuff. It's
Oh,
always
yeah.
too nice to get it muddy.
I know, that's what I said. Lots of pics and videos because this will be the cleanest she's ever going to be. So.
Did you see how nice the build that exhaust is? I don't know if you really looked
That stuff is dynamite quality.
Oh yeah, man, girls, man.
Super dynamite, all big welded stainless.
It's all made in Sweden, so it's all handcrafted, hand built. Like it's gorgeous stuff. But
Yeah, that's why I went with it. Spent the money.
Well, machine too.
so yeah, same company makes tail lights and headlights. So
Yeah.
like the tail lights, okay, just give it a cool one to it at the back, and they light up nice. Great.
Oh yeah, nice. You got like the halo too, like the front.
Yep.
Super bright.
I put that on mine.
Yeah.
First things I did.
That looks sick.
So that's just even when it's off, right?
Yeah, that's just how they are.
Because really, when you ride, you should, it doesn't matter what time of day, have your headlights on. So I've been in lots of situations where if a guy would have had his headlights on in the trail, you would have seen him. Because some of these quads all black going through the bush. You
Oh yeah.
go around the
Oh,
corner.
yeah,
and it's-
definitely. No, like I said, after like doing all the research and reviews on them too, it's like, yeah, it's definitely worth the money. Like, money well spent.
I'm just going to go through his machine with him, Dale, if you want. Wander around. Think of which way you want to go, and I'll be a few minutes with him, and then we'll sit down.
Can I ask you a question? Why did you go with the max? Why did you not go with just the normal?
I don't know, I just kind of, like I said, I was either going to go with this or the Renegade, but I went with this myself just so I could get the 2-up seat and all that stuff on it to put the
Because right now I'm in between the 2-up and the.
Right. Yeah, no, that's kind of why. I just didn't, more so I can put the box on it, the seat, have a bit extra space if I was
The extra
actually.
length doesn't bother you for catwalk.
It shouldn't be, yeah. Like I said, this is basically the first style of machine like this for me, so.
Cool. Alright.
It shouldn't be too bad, I don't think.
I know you'll enjoy it.
Oh yeah,
Give me a
definitely.
few minutes there, Dale, I'll get back in.
Definitely. That would be nice, yeah, with that on too.
Yeah, for sure. It comes
It's
off
all
super-
just pops
yeah,
right
pops
off,
off.
eh? Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, several no AT coming
No,
up.
no, yeah, no people did. No, that's fine.
It is. Sounds good.
Snap picture of this one. I like this build.
Yeah. I think it turned out amazing. Trying to get lots of pics and videos of it here before I ride it.
good.